Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off read receipts on Messenger. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Messenger, click on the menu option on the bottom right hand side, then once you're on here, just select settings near the top, then scroll down until you see privacy and safety, so you want to click on there. And again, if you scroll down, you should see read receipts near the bottom, so you want to click on that. And this will just let you know people will be able to see when you've read their messages. So obviously you just need to toggle that off, and then it will let you know people won't be able to see when you've read their messages, and you won't be able to see when they've read yours. So that's how you can turn off read receipts on Messenger. Thanks for watching.